And we had this issue where we'd ask questions, and we'd upload our documents, and we'd have this like private on-prem chatbot. And as we uploaded more and more files, the thing that we realized is a lot of the times the answers to these questions are just like totally wrong, almost like every single time. And it would work well if you had like 2 or 3 files, but if you got to the point where you had like hundreds or thousands of files, or your questions were like really complex, or the things you're trying to like understand required a lot of domain specificity, these models would really not get the answers to these questions right. And we were wondering, why this was the case. Was it just that the models weren't good enough? Was it that, maybe they weren't actually retrieving the right chunk or citation to actually provide the right answer? We tried experimenting with a lot of these different models, but no matter what, we noticed that there was like all these hallucinations, right? And these hallucinations were pretty catastrophic in certain cases, right? For instance, in finance, if you're kind of doing an asking question about revenue, you might not even realize it, but your model that was supposed to give an answer that was $23.7 billion might just say something like 2.37 billion. But you might not know, even if you did different LLM evaluation metrics, you might not really understand this. You're just kind of blindly trusting the output of these models. And furthermore, if you're trying to do something specific, like a really specific question about a thing that you need a lot of training data to do, a lot of times the models don't really know it because they're kind of trained on a large corpus of data like Wikipedia or Google Books, but they might not know your specific domain really well. So the real question is, how can we make these models better? How can we make them more accurate and more human-centered, giving you the best output for your data?